Welcome back to the channel, guys. My name is Thomas with TMWYT. Out here, another beautiful day in the state of Utah. We got the home garage all wide open. So many cars here. Check this thing out.
1989 Nissan Laurel C33.
We got the car show in the driveway in the garage today. We got B-Pack over here with the FRS. What's up? Jordan over there. Bumper off. Everybody's here. As you can see, we're getting the wheels mounted up today. They're already on. We're gonna be doing a stud conversion from Motorsports Hardware so that we can do one of the things I've been most excited for about this year, guys. We have Likewise BONES Lug Nuts from We Are Likewise. I'm so excited to put these on the car, guys. They're absolutely insane. $500 for a set of lug nuts is the most ridiculous thing I've ever bought for my car. Crazy. Friends approve.
You paid $500 for lug nuts?
And now Pop has figured out. Now Pop knows the real price. Did you see his face when I told him it was $500?
Yes.
I haven't told him
Pops
yet.
doesn't approve.
Now he knows. They are full titanium lug nuts. They're super baller. Come like close. It's like right.
Lug nuts are not comprised.
Like aim it at
right there,
aim it at the lug nut.
Oh, down here at the lug nuts?
Okay, so already unboxed them. They come with anti-seize. You got the insulation card. Super nice that they include that as well. But oh my God, look at this presentation. So ball, like all
presentation.
like it's all boxed nice. It's like you just paid $500 for some lug nuts. So
Wait,
super
wait.
baller.
For lug nuts?
It's almost like you did.
They're titanium.
It's almost like you
okay,
did.
actually it was $470 in my defense, and I got free shipping because I paid that much
plus
money.
tax.
Okay, so starting with the actual lug nuts here, I'll get into these parts in a second because those are fun, but this is the main part. These are the actual.
Yeah, that's
the
the
upcharge. So these are the actual lug nuts. Again, crazy presentation. All right, so these are GR5 Titanium.
You can get the details.
So cool. Laser engraved bones. So cool. These lug nuts are so baller. So they'll thread onto the stud conversion that I just did on the car that you guys are gonna see in a second. Super light. I wish show you guys through the camera how light these are. They're incredibly light. So baller. So you got all 20 lug nuts in here, as well as the special key that is only made for these lug nuts. You have to show Likewise your order confirmation in order to get another one of these. So
And that's got some crazy designs.
yeah, it's got the key, the skull key design right there. This is gonna install these. Super nice. And this is titanium
aren't
too.
those ones like 7-sided?
Yeah, so it looks like a hex, but it's actually like angled, so you can't fit like a normal crescent wrench on it or anything.
So no one's stealing your wheels?
Nobody's stealing them. Nobody's stealing the nice Revolve wheels. So super nice setup, guys. So that's in the first box, all right? So you're like, Thomas, you paid $500 for this? Wait, there's more. So we got the next one here. So these are the sleeves. Again, the crazy presentation. I'll just pop one of these guys out for you. But these are aluminum sleeves with laser engraved designs on the side. They say Royals because this is the design of the sleeve, the Likewise Royals. Oh no.
Oh no. Schmendel G. Barber's here. Oh no.
So just the laser engraving on these is absolutely insane. You can see the diamond kind of design down here. And these are about 2.75 inches long, and they add on to, so this is the actual lug nut here that I just showed you guys, and then the sleeve is just gonna thread right on. We've got the sleeve built up here, and we got the hole up top, and wait, there's more. We're still building them.
There's more?
These are
It's
so
almost like
long.
you paid $500
for lug nuts. I know, it's cool, okay? All right, so final box here, we have the caps with little skull designs in there. Again, the presentation, the shipping, it's almost like you paid $500 for lug nuts. So we got the little skull design here.
So Thomas,
and this threads
everybody's wondering, what if your caps get stolen?
I don't know. I hope they don't steal my cat. It's all right. Super baller. I don't know. Okay, what are they gonna do with my caps?
Put them on their nightstand.
Put them on their nightstand and know that they've stolen.
And they'll be like, damn, I really just stole
the
some caps.
The expensive part, I'm pretty sure Likewise will sell you these separate.
I was
the
gonna
reason
say,
this is expensive is because it's
exactly, it's a whole kit.
62-piece set, I'm pretty sure. 61 piece with the key. The most expensive portion right here is the lug nut because it's titanium. These are flashy and these are cool, but this is the main point. They're lightweight, they're nice, They're titanium. They've got the special key to install them. These are just aluminum sleeves. They're just to make it look pretty. They're very cool, laser engraved. So I'm pretty sure just ordering a couple of them, if you lose them, is not gonna break your bank or whatever. I'm pretty sure people aren't gonna steal them because they're gonna assume that it's a lug nut and it's on there. Unless you've watched my video, then
Well,
everybody's gonna come steal my lug nuts. If the long lug nut is not your style, you can do short ones. They have different designs of the short ones. They have long ones with chambers inside that you can actually see inside the physical lug nut itself with spikes sticking off of it, and giant spikes. So crazy, crazy lug nuts. When I went to pick up lug nuts, because I picked up the ECS tuning ones for brand new lug nuts because all mine were chotched and I wanted them to look nice because when I look at my wheels, I want everything to be perfect. I want the brake rotors to look nice, I want the lug nuts to look nice, I want the valve stems, everything to be perfect, because with that nice of wheels, like everything's just gotta look.
it's gonna make everything's
Everything's gotta match. So when I priced just titanium lug bolts out on ECS tuning, it came out to $389 just for the lug bolts.
So might as well go flashy.
Might as well get the sleeves and the stud conversion with it.
These are really nice lug nuts.
Kendall G. Barber approved, and he
Whoa,
only likes
they're not
real
reps,
stuff.
so.
They're not reps. So yeah, I mean, $380 for a set of titanium lug bolts from ECS Tuning. So I figured why not just spend like $100 more and get the baller setup. So with that little unboxing, super cool presentation. I'll show you guys how to do the stud conversion from Motorsports Hardware to be able to run these since the Euro cars are lug bolts. And then we'll get these tossed on and we'll see how they look.
So Pops, what's your thoughts on the $500 lug nuts?
Dude. They're titanium.
All you got was a dude.
Dude.
Are you seeing this?
Dude, I'm pretty sure he's doing work on a
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
I always work on cars.
What's
What do you
going
mean?
Oh,
What's going on? Whoa.
Where's the neon though?
Bro, the neon never comes out.
Neon's asleep for another 10 centuries.
Did you see that front lip? Sheesh.
Alright guys.
See those new lug nuts? Sheesh.
You're so dumb.
Is that Mr. TMWIT?
Shut up.
Sheesh.
So dumb. Okay, so in order to run these baller ass lug nuts, we need to do a stud conversion since Euros are lame and come with these dumb lug bolts. Studs are so much cooler because you can just set the wheel on top and it's so much easier to get them on, and then you can run very cool custom lug nuts like the Likewise Bones that we're going to be putting on in today's video. So from Motorsports Hardware, that's where I picked the stud conversion up. So we have 20 of these stud converters here. It's got the threads to go into the threads for the lug bolts on each wheel. And then in order to run the Likewise Bones, I did need to convert the actual diameter of the stud to the correct size for the Likewise Bones. 14 by 1.5. And this takes it down to a 12 by 1.5. But first things first, if you look how nasty and gross my hubs are, blech, so nasty and gross. All the bolts, all the threads on the hub are just absolutely just gross, okay? So we got some WD-40 as well as some brake cleaner if the WD-40 doesn't do it. And I also picked up a Dremel wire wheel, wire brush. And so I'm just gonna lightly clean up the threads, get them nice and clean so we have a good bond between the stud and the Loctite blue. Permatex, same thing. Thread locker blue, this is the one they say is gonna do it in the instructions. So cleaning up the threads beforehand will ensure a good seal when we torque the studs down because we don't want these popping out. We want these.
Hey Thomas! Am I interrupting your video?
Shouts out to the Pops. How's it going, buddy? What's up? So, I'm gonna get these threads cleaned up and then we can install these studs. Alright guys, got the Dremel set up with this little wire brush. Not sure if this is gonna work, but you know, we'll give it a shot. Damn guys, this worked like a dream. This is just a little wire brush for the Dremel. So awesome, guys. Look how clean it got them. This is the cleanest I've seen my threads in a fat minute. Wow. That is awesome. I don't know, little things like this, guys, when something works that well and that good, wow, they're like brand new again. So clean, so nice. It's gonna be a great seal for the thread locker on the conversion side of the stud. It's a 7/32 Allen socket, and it's hooked up to my torque wrench because these have to be the black studs. The zinc coated ones have to be torqued to 25 foot-pounds. Hello, focus again. So these have to be torqued to 25 foot-pounds. The studs all installed with the thread locker. Ooh, so nice. Steve's working on stuff on the car.
Good old Steve. He's gonna do some vinyl wrap.
We're just gonna put this here sticker on the back here.
Ooh, are we just gonna lay it on the window too?
We're just gonna put it right here.
Oh, kind of hard, bro.
We got the tires stretched. I'll leave the video right here at the top of the screen if you guys missed that. And this is what's so nice about the studs. We can just throw it on and not be tripping over nothing.
Damn, Tommy, you really be killing it right now.
It's heavy wheel, bro.
Bro, that's a light wheel.
Yeah, it's pretty light, bro. Jordan carried him up the stairs. Me and Jordan carried him up the stairs.
Oh, kind of hard.
Kind of hard.
Do you see that? Do you, hey, do you see that? You don't even have to hold it up.
Here you go, Jordan.
Yes, dude. Do you know how hard that would be?
Okay, you're all going to be treated to making the world's best chocolate chip cookies. That is ISR. Shouts out to Pops.
Damn.
Hardware.
Look at that sunset though.
Hardware. Shouts out to Utah. Looks like my car.
Like a
I'm
glove.
so happy to have these back on, bro.
Like a glove.
Sheesh.
Oh.
Sheesh. This track's gonna be insane, bro. What? Oh my gosh, dude. Oh, it goes harder than ever, bro. It ain't even on the ground yet.
Tommy's regretting the stretch life.
No, I'm excited, bro. All right, guys, we are installing the lug nuts right now. Jordan's putting the supplied anti-seize from Likewise on the studs for Motorsports Hardware. Ooh, look at him apply that nice cream. Thread these on by hand. Remember, I don't think I need to remind my audience to torque your lugs in a star pattern. I hope not. On the threads on the outsides of the bones for the skins, so that they don't get seized. We just torqued up the lug nuts to 90 foot-pounds.
There's your bumper's not on all over them.
Yeah, it is.
No, it's not. Because the front.
What front?
You just worked right at it. You did.
Look at right next to the light.
Dude, that's just my clips are f***ed, alright? Leave me alone.
Hey, just hit it with a self-tapper.
Hit it with a self-tapper! Push your flare on, dog.
Thomas, that's money. You're tucking front.
Holy
Look at that front lip.
what? Oh my god, bro. Oh my god. Oh my god. We're tucking.
On the ground, bro.
We're tucking.
That's what you wanted.
Sheesh. Alright guys, and that is going to do it for today's video on the stud conversion and the new Likewise lug nuts. Pretty sure the first Volkswagen with the Likewise lugs installed. They look phenomenal. I'm super happy with how they look. They just turned out so cool and just complement my three-piece wheels perfectly. Now we just need to get the rotors and the brakes to match the wheel setup and tire setup and get it all looking fresh down here. But man, with the gold two-tone center caps and then the engraving on the Likewise lugs, it's a very cool look, especially in the rear here. No issues, they haven't flown off yet, and I don't think they will. There's too many threads for them to really do so, and you kind of have to really, like, I don't know if I could even do this with holding the camera. So if you guys are interested in doing the stud conversion or even the Likewise lugs, I'll leave the links down in the description below to where I picked up the Likewise Bones and the stud conversion for the Mk6 Golf R. So that is gonna do it for today's video. We'll have a video on the wing this week, as well as the front lip you probably saw in the cinematic video, side skirts as well. These will be dropping later this week, so turn the notification bell on so you don't miss them. Drop a like down below if you enjoyed today's video, and make sure to subscribe if you're new here. But that is gonna do it for today, guys. I will catch you in the next one.